This is me at my 4th week, 1 month into my weight loss. But I just want to give you the preview of how it looks on me 1 month into my weight loss. This is how tight it is on me. If I raise my arms, I hope there's a little bit of a difference since the last time I put it on. It is a really tight shirt, and I'll even show you. When I got this shirt, it was the biggest one they had, because apparently high schools don't accommodate for big people. But here's the shirt. And if you zoom in here, don't know how clear that's going to be. But that is an extra large, 2XL. And there you have it.